Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kayla, and in today's video, we're talking all about flax seeds. Now, we all know that flax seeds are very healthy for us. They're a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and they're even high in fiber. So there's no doubt that they're really good for us, but what most people don't tell you is that when you eat them whole, you're not absorbing hardly any of the nutrition. They go right through your digestive tract and out your colon. So to make sure that you're getting all of the nutrition from the flax seeds, I highly recommend grounding them first. This is gonna make it a lot more digestible and easier to absorb the nutrients as well. And of course, you can buy flax seeds that have already been pre-ground at the grocery store, but flax seeds do tend to go rancid pretty quickly. So what I like to do is buy the whole flax seeds at the store. I store them in a glass mason jar in my pantry, and then when I get ready to use them, I'll put some into my coffee grinder, grind them up myself, and then I'll store the remaining amount in the refrigerator to keep it from going rancid. And normally ground flax seeds will stay fresh in the refrigerator for about a week. And you can add ground flax seeds to your smoothies, you can add it to baked goods like muffins, and I even like to add it to my grain-free meatloaf recipe. If you haven't tried that yet, it is delicious. I'll link it for y'all in the description box below. But anyway, I just wanted to share this quick tip with you to let you know that if you want to absorb all of the nutrients from the flax seeds that you're eating and reap all of the health benefits, then it's best to eat them ground, not whole. All right, well, that is it for today's video. If you enjoy this type of content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button below for more healthy recipes and content. And until then, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.